Hey there everyone, welcome to the One Brain Four Wheels channel. It's the Gare Bear here like always, and today's video is really impromptu. It's going to be short. So I was washing the car this morning, bright and early, here in California. It's a pretty nice, crisp, cool day. It's a good day for a ride, but I'm not going to be driving this because someone has rented out my car on Turo for the weekend. But anyhow, I digress. I was going ahead and washing the car, and when I backed it out getting ready to dry it, I noticed something I didn't really like. I don't know if you guys can see it from here, but right under there, I'm having a little bit of an issue, so let's go ahead and zoom in. I don't know if the camera's going to do it justice, but coming down here, you can see that black plastic underneath is hanging down on the passenger side. Not really sure how that happened. It might just be because of age, but I highly doubt it because this really isn't that old. So I'm thinking maybe I very well could have hit one of those curb stops in a parking lot or something. But either way, this needs to get fixed quickly, or at least I need to take care of it because someone's going to be picking up this car in about 2 hours. So what I'm thinking is, let me get a little closer. So taking a closer look, it looks like this black plastic in the center is held on. It has kind of this little L coming off of the top of the plastic there, and it's got multiple bolts or little screws kind of holding it up underneath the car here. And so it looks like on this end, on the passenger side, it's kind of just broken off here at a couple points. You could JB weld those back into place. You could take them, unscrew these off, JB weld them back on maybe, and try reattaching. Or we can just go ahead and keep it off, which I think that's what I'm going to do. So I could also just kind of unbolt the rest of these guys, but I'm thinking, yeah, I'm thinking that's going to work better instead. See, it looks fine. Totally good. Much cleaner looking, actually. Well, now I think we'll get a little bit less drag now, so maybe higher top speed? I'm just kidding, guys. I'm sure this served a purpose with how the air gets directed around the car, but right now I don't care because I just needed this to not be dragging on the ground. So you guys can see, now we have a little gap here in the center, but most people probably, if they don't own one of these, they're definitely not going to notice it's not there. And we'll just kind of see, it should be fine. So that's how I'm going to leave it for right now. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if this happens to you, you know now that it's very easy. If you're out on the road and you see this flopping around, pull off, yank it off. You guys will be fine. So until next time, guys, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you then.